And so this is my awesome fajita, so then I'm gonna have that with some baby salad in a few minutes, so I hope you're all okay now, so but I thought I'd do this and I dedicate this one to optical turkey, so cause I know he likes his chicken and his meat stuff, so nearly about done, folks. I'm gonna whack my heaters in a minute, so as Curly Bucks is saying, I'm gonna pick this up in a minute and peace down, so let's put my camera down for a second, so but obviously it's mainly a testing on the gimbal, so I'll stick my fajitas on in a minute, so and I'll whack some cheese on it as well, so get my fajitas, so yeah, and then if I take all of them, that would have been a balancing, so I'll whack my fajitas on and then I'll show you the finished product in a minute, so I'll stick my fajitas on, so I'll stick my microwave on, so my chickens are about done, folks, so I like to put some garlic and the barbecue seasoning in, so I've turned that off now, so I'm gonna whack my heaters on, so and it takes 1 second to do anyway, so and don't forget to, as Rob from Real North Media would say, smash the like, folks, and peace down, so yeah, they only take about 1 minute now, these fajita mixers do, so I'll just whack that in, so and that's my lovely tea for this evening, so and I'll stick some grated cheese on it in a minute, so yeah, that's my beautiful tea, and I'll whack some cheese on in a second, folks, so whack my cheese, break my cheese on, so